Well, I've got one last drain spout done here. It's going from the downspout here over to the catch basin, which will also have a grate on it because this area will be leveled out and may catch some water as well. And it heads off down into this Flo-Well, dry well. It's about 38 inches deep is what it ended up at. 4 foot by 6 foot. Way bigger than the Flo-Well needs, but I want the extra capacity. Everything's leveled out at the bottom. Flo-Well's in. You might notice I had to use a little tape to keep the thing together while I'm moving it around. That's just the fun of it. But I'm ready to add the rock, which will go up to just about as high as the top of the Flo-Well, and then close the rest off with dirt. There it is, all leveled up. I'm going to put a pop top on the center of the Flo-Well just in case it happens to ever fill all the way up, and then it'll just leak over here and not near the house. But that shouldn't happen. This is pretty well draining soil. So all I got to do is fold the fabric over, put my topsoil back. That's it. One down, 2 to go.